It was before my press briefing. I already had initial
Yeah, it's not the
commissioner's
4th of July.
affidavit under oath that says he did not authorize this thing.
And we have that affidavit?
So that is in a criminal case docket that you're talking about today. Because then all these people that played a role in shutting down my investigation, that which I warned about on the 2nd of July, is being investigated now. So I do hope that pretty soon we're going to effect arrest and we're going to be in court.
And what is the charge there? Defeating the ends of justice?
That's the main one. There's a collusion to defeat ends of justice from the evidence that has been uncovered.
And that's based on an affidavit that's in the docket?
Yeah, because I needed to have a point of departure. National Commissioner, tell me, did you authorize this thing, yes or no? He says, I didn't. I said, write it down. There was a delay in him giving that. A delay. Eventually, he said to me, okay, here's it. So when he did that, then I knew that, okay, someone will have to then go to court and explain why this. So we started there with investigation. Statements of Khumalo, statement of Sentumule, all the people that played the part, except CB and them. We did not take statement from them. The team is investigating further. The investigation is ongoing as we speak. I can't talk in details on it.
So who's conducting the investigation? Crime intelligence or?
No, it's the detectives in KZN.
The detectives?
There's a KZN docket. I'm not part of it. I'm a complainant. I gave my statement and I complained, and they started collating all these things and putting these pieces together. As a complainant, obviously they update me. The DPP gave me an update about 2 weeks ago about the status of the investigation, and I'm quite pleased with how they are moving with the investigation. I guess it's going to be a landmark case that we're going to have in court.
Sounds like it.
It will be.
You were the complainant?
I am a complainant.
And you got the National Commissioner to depose to an affidavit?
He's my witness.
Your star witness?
Yeah.
I think a bit late, that's why we're just trying to some levity. Sorry, Honourable Chair and Honourable Minister. Original?
It was before my press briefing. I already had initial commissioners.